What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing April's unboxing of Boxycharm, and I have my favorite guest, Chris.
I'm back. I'm back.
He's back to guess the prices on our Boxycharm box. So, like always, if you didn't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, and it is $22 with taxes. So, and you always get like about 7 items, really. 5 to 7, I think, with the box. So, and they're all full size. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I
Okay.
feel good about this one.
Do you? Okay. So, this month's theme is Peace, Love, and Boxy. It is, I think they had like a whole Boxychella, kind of like Coachella.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're right about that. Play on words.
Yeah, going on. So, that is the theme for the box. Are you ready?
You've asked me that already.
Well, you know, I gotta be sure. Okay, so, I don't need to see. The first item are a pair of Lashaholic lashes, and these are in the style Instaglam. So these are it right here. So now it is up to you, my friend.
I like the box.
Very nice box.
It is a cool box.
What do you think of the lashes?
It makes something as simple as eyelashes look
Fancy.
fancy.
Yeah. And they're Instaglam. That is the style they're in.
$19.
Okay. The price for that pair of lashes, $14.99.
I was a little highbrow for my eyelash price, wasn't I?
Yeah, the package got you.
Package got me. You got me,
The
die.
glitter on the sides. I got you. But they're very nice. Very nice
I'm a
lashes.
sucker for glitter.
The next one is Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and I got it in Purple Dream.
Color of
So-
royalty. Purple.
That is. They must think I'm royalty. If I can open this. No. I guess I can't. I don't want to tear the box, but we'll survive.
You didn't tear the box.
See, I told you we will
Good
survive.
job.
So this is it right here. It is a loose powder in the shade.
It's not purple at all.
It says Purple Dream. I'll swatch it for you after. Do you want me to swatch it now so you can really see it?
Okay. If it changes colors, it's at least $60. Because it is anything but purple right now.
Alright. So let me... Uh-oh. I can't. I think there's like a little sticker. Oh, I see it. I think. Is it a sticker? Yeah, it's a sticker.
Okay.
We're having technical difficulties.
I'm not having any technical difficulties.
I am.
Clarify.
And if you've watched my videos before, you know sometimes I have these.
Diamond glow powder.
Oh, he's checking out the box that came in. If I can get the packaging out. Ooh, perfect timing. Y'all, I did an order for some lashes that I'll be talking about. And they sent me like a cute little baggie with like nail stuff in it. Which, perfect timing. Thank you, Ruby's Lashes. Follow her on Instagram. Shout out for saving the day. She saved the day.
What an odd place to put a sticker.
I know, right? And then you gotta like twist it to really get it out.
Artist Couture. So far you have 2 strikes against you. 3. Because the box
Why?
couldn't open.
Oh
It's
my
not
god, they
purple.
don't want me to like
And
get
the
in the
sticker
pocket.
is such a weird sticker.
Alright, so I
You're
am
out.
right here swatching it for you guys. And it has like a purple.
Don't try to save it. There's nothing purple about it.
Yeah, it has like a purpley reflex.
That's more
kind
pink
of-
than
okay.
anything.
Well, this is it. And let me.
Ugh.
You're not down.
I'm sure. Well, it's a highlighter, so I'm sure it's still going to be $24. I'm guessing $24.
Okay, So the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder is $27. I mean, it is very pretty, but you're right. It's not very purpley.
Which is fine because I don't like purple. So.
Well, it's
I mean,
fine
it's a
because
really good color.
honestly,
I love the color.
it's a really nice color, and I think it'll go well. If it was purple, it probably wouldn't look that good on the face.
So if you had purple cheeks,
Yeah.
and then put that on, it's silly.
Anyways, $27.
But I do like it. It's a good color.
The next thing we have,
Appeal.
So we have this holographic lip gloss in the shade Posh. So this is it. Let's open her up.
If you don't know, as soon as Anna said Posh, she immediately thought of the Spice Girls. Posh Girl, or Posh Spice rather.
Yes, I did. Spice Girls for life.
She gets
People of the
super
world.
hyped about Spice Girls, like ridiculously hyped when they play it.
I love Spice Girls.
And by they, I mean her. 'Cause we don't go anywhere like to the clubs where they're playing Spice Girls. It's just her.
It's just me in my bedroom. I can't help it. It brings back memories of me in my bedroom.
I actually, that was one of the first CDs I purchased as a young boy. Was Spice Girls. The I don't know the name of the album, but the white one, the white cover. It just said
Spice World.
Sure. That was the name of the movie, though. Was that the name of their album too?
I think so.
Stupid.
Spice everything. Spice up your life. Anyways, Appeal. So it's a holographic lip gloss. It's just kind of clear and it has some little sparklies in it. So
$11.
Okay, you remember, and I still have it here because I like it. Appeal.
Is it expense?
Do you not remember? You loved
No,
the
I
last
don't
one.
remember.
Remember the liquid eyeshadow?
Well, I mean, okay, but
This one too said it was, what was it? Rose gold. Henry said it was copper. They've been tricking us lately with the names.
okay. So anyway, am I way off or something?
Yeah.
Is it more than $11?
Yes.
I do love the color of that blue lid, though. Just put this all over my eyes.
It gets on your lips.
Well, I would put it on my eyes, Emma. I can do what I like,
That's true.
especially after I bought it.
What?
That's right.
It came in a Boxycharm.
$11.50. I don't know.
$21.
Yeah. Way off.
Were you fixing to cuss on my channel?
No, I don't swear at all. Only when I'm at work. Or when I'm at home.
Well, you don't go anywhere else.
Ugh. Who would want to? Go to work, go home, go to sleep.
Well, you were way off on that. I was very disappointed in that
Yeah,
moment.
you sound disappointed. Like
I
I
was.
feel like Dad was in here and I didn't clean my room fast enough.
So the next one are I was going to say a pair. Oh my god, it's not a pair. A trio of Luxie brushes. They are the Summer Days brush set. So they are a large shader brush, a small shader, and a small contour brush. And I'll pull these out for you.
Thank you.
Now hold these brushes because you haven't held very much today. Says this 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Yeah.
It is soft just because I was rubbing my beard. I was
Yeah.
like, that's not soft.
Yeah, I was fixing
It
to
is
say that.
soft. It is soft. Let's say $18.
For the trio.
Yes, for the tree. Who's splitting these up?
I mean, you can buy brushes individually.
You could. But that's not how they can.
Okay.
$18.
No, $28.
I'm consistently $10 off.
They're Luxie
Well,
brushes.
for the last two anyway.
I love Luxie brushes.
Well, good.
They're one of my favorite brushes.
Okay.
Anyways. You're not doing very
I
well
like
this
It
round.
Cosmetics brushes.
You do?
I do.
Do you use them every day?
No, they're display in Ulta. the IT, and then you just rub your hands on it. It's so soft. It's nice. If you haven't been there, I don't know. Go if you want. You don't have to.
Go to Ulta. Tell the man I sent you.
Don't do that. They'll ask you to leave.
I thought I would.
Anna doesn't work here, and you need to leave.
The last thing is the Pure Festival palette. So it is 12 shades of awesomeness. Where are these? Ruby is Lashes. You have saved the day in this video because I cannot get into my packaging.
You have a knife right next to you.
What?
In the drawer.
Oh.
Maybe.
I'm not looking in a drawer.
Let me see. Maybe not.
Oh, I actually have some scissors too.
There you go. Shout out to the Gerber pocket knife. I don't care for it too much because that's why it stays in here, but shout out. I can shout out too.
You're going to shout out to them? Is it because I'm doing shout outs? Alright, so we have the Pure Festival palette. Ooh, mirror and nice big hands. We've got 12 shades. I'm going to go ahead and take the protective covering off so we can really see. And you guys don't get a glow.
I burped. Burped in your vid.
Yeah.
I did say excuse me though.
I know, that was very nice of you. I was going to say...
It's all about
Oh,
manners.
what is this in here?
All about manners.
What is in here? Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Oh, so you get a little primer, too. Okay, so it is 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Ooh, y'all. These right here are calling my name. You guys know I love my glitter. I almost said what? Like, what do you want? But then I realized what you were doing. Alright,
Is it because it's late? Is that why you're weird?
Maybe. Take a look.
$32.
You didn't even look.
I've been looking at it. You've been flashing it in front of me the whole time. $32. Free spirit, psychedelic, good vibes, peace, 24K magic, wild child, gypsy, epic, all night, hidden desert, sunset, fireworks. Names of the eyeshadows. $32.
Okay, so this is actually $36.
What do you want from me?
But I really want to swatch Fireworks and 24K Magic, these two shades right here, because I'm in love. Ooh, yes. They're super creamy, y'all. I'm going to swatch them down here because we have... Oh, my God.
Why don't you chill out?
If you've been watching me, you guys know. You know. Look at these. Look at these.
If you wake the boys up, you gotta put them back to sleep.
I can do that.
Let me see.
Look.
I love it. I loved it when you were showing
Oh my
it.
God.
The names are
Y'all.
a little, you know,
What? Hippity dippity.
pretty hippity dippity.
Well, it's a festival palette.
Little left leaning, but good colors. Just
Okay, let's swatch this pink.
why don't you do the good vibes?
Okay, we'll do pink, Wild Child, and Good Vibes, which are these shades right here. And swatch these for you guys as well. So we're not just swatching just the glitters. Oh yes, that is a nice shade. And then there's the pink matte. Oh, this is a good palette, y'all.
I've been watching you do these for a couple of years now, maybe. Pretty impressed with that eyeshadow palette right there.
Really?
I buy a lot of makeup for you, so I would have bought this for you for sure.
It's nice.
Packaging screams. The colors are really nice. It's a good brand, reliable.
Yeah. All right, thanks. So yeah, that's nice. But that is everything that I got in this month's Boxycharm. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I am card
20 heart.
20 heart right here. So if you got a 20 and a heart, You got the same exact box as me. Does that mean there are 20 variations this month?
Definitely not.
Or maybe they just did more numbers than just like 1, 2, 3.
Maybe it's like a 10, 20, 30 box.
Maybe.
Maybe there's 3 variants.
Maybe. There's no way there's 20. No way. I doubt it. But, anyways.
I don't know.
If you are interested in Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below to sign up. But that is it. This month's box was pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy with it.
Was that April box?
Yeah, April box.
Good box. May has a lot to live up to.
Yeah, seriously. It really does. We need to see some spoilers. I'll also leave Boxycharm's Instagram link down below so you guys can see spoilers, because they do post spoilers. So you can get an idea of what you might get in your box for next month. But that is it. You got anything to say?
Nope.
Any words of wisdom to leave?
Why are you always getting in my way?
I did that on purpose this time.
Oh.
It was funny.
Words of wisdom.
Oh God, never mind.
It's getting warmer outside, so stay hydrated.
Okay. Thanks.
That's all I got. You put me on the spot.
I'm sorry.
I have a lot of words of wisdom. I'm just kind of tired.
Okay. Alright, well, that is it for this video. If you enjoy watching my unboxings and you enjoy having Chris in the videos, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all. You gonna say bye? No?
Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, yeah, thanks for watching. If they've made it this far, they deserve thanks.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Okay, we're leaving out.